Welcome back to the Lemon Factor. I'm Chad, and today I have our 2019 Honda Accord 2.0 Touring, and I'm going out for a little bit of a drive. I've never tested this car 0 to 60 or quarter mile. I've had it for about a year now. Always been interested to see how easy it is to reproduce some of the magazine numbers. I believe the fastest 0 to 60 time that I've seen is from Car and Driver, which puts the 2.0 liter Accord at 5.5 seconds. And then there's several other magazines and testing that goes from 5.5 to 5.9. So the high fives, which if you think about it, 20, 30 years ago, that was extremely fast. And I would still say today, a mid 5-second car is pretty quick. With the torque that the 2 liter produces, it definitely feels faster than it really is. And quite frankly, I'm pretty interested to see how easy it is to reproduce some of those numbers. And I have with me my Draggy, and for some of you, you may have seen my past videos where I took the 2019 Mazda Miata MX-5 RF out to test. A couple things I'm going to do before I test the 0 to 60 is I'm going to check the tire pressures, adjust them if needed. I'm going to disable the traction control. I am going to put the 10-speed automatic transmission into sport mode. We're going to find out how fast the 2 liter Accord, the 10th generation 2018 plus, really is. Like I said, I'll be using the Draggy. This is really easy to use. Relatively speaking, it's inexpensive. You can get this on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested. And if you want to find out how fast this car is, then stay tuned. Before I continue, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like and share. If you're interested in following my journey on modifying our two cars, our 2019 Honda Accord 2.0 and our 2019 Mazda Miata MX-5 RF. If you're interested in seeing car reviews or car product reviews, then consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you can be aware each and every time a video is posted. Let's jump into this and let's see how fast the Honda Accord really is. Here we go. That was 0 to 60 in 5.74 seconds. Not bad. Let's take a look at that. So 5.74 seconds. Now, there's a difference between that with the 1 foot rollout. So unfortunately, I did not hit record, and I just did my second run. My second run was very similar to the first one. So that was my third run, 5.79. I did lose traction a lot more than the first two. So that was 3. What I think I'm going to do is check the tires and maybe just let out a little more air in the front tires. I lowered my front tire pressures to 31 PSI. See if I can get a little more traction. I do not have the stock tires. I did change Continental Pure Contact LS in the stock 19-inch size. They are not known to be a performance tire. They are an all-season tire. So with a performance tire, I'm sure these numbers could come down even more. But yeah, let's see what we can do now that we just lowered the tire pressure. So it did. Lowering the tire pressure apparently did improve the traction, or I just got a better patch of road. But this fourth run, which is the first one with the lower tire pressure down to 31 psi, I was able to get a 5.67 second, 0 to 60. And I forgot to hit record. So the sixth run, which is the third after changing my tire pressures, I went right back to the number one and ran a 5.74 second 0 to 60.